Hi everyone, you are watching Education to All. Today we are discussing sample question paper of class 10 Mathematics standard paper. So without any delay, start the questions. In section A, there are 20 questions which are MCQs. Each carries 1 mark. So now we are starting the question number 1. Given if two positive integers a and b is written as where a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube, where x and y are the prime numbers, then the result obtained by dividing the product of the positive integers by the LCM. First, product of the positive integers, just find it. So where a into b is called product of the positive integers, so then multiplying the given data, x cube y square is multiplied to xy cube, so their multiples becomes x cube and x together is x power 4, and y square is multiplied to y power 3, so add the exponents y power 5. LCM of AB given, so LCM means highest power we have to consider. X cube and x we can take it as x cube is the highest power, and y square and y cube we can take y cube as the highest power. The required answer is must be divide the product of the positive integer by their LCM. So divide this both. So their product we got it as x power 4 into y power 5 divided by their LCM we got as x cube y power 3. So this can be simplified, x power 4 minus 3 into y power 5 minus 3. So which leads to x and y power 2. So which option satisfy? So we can say option B is correct. So okay. So let's move for the second question. So given the given linear polynomial y is equal to f of x has dash zeros. So remember it's a linear polynomial, they itself mentioned. So linear polynomial means degree is 1. So degree is 1 means definitely 1 0. That 0 must be where the x-axis touching. So touching at the x-axis touching at 3 comma 0. So we can say that linear equation having 1 0 and the 0 is 3. So option B is absolutely right. So next, move for the third question. Question number 3. The given pair of linear equation is non-intersecting. Which of the following statement is true? Given they are not intersecting means parallel lines. So parallel lines have a condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So it's a basic definition question. So option B is right answer. Question number 4. Write the nature of the quadratic equations given as 9x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. The nature of a quadratic equations can be found by using a formula discriminant b square minus 4ac. By comparing the b value minus 6, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into ac value. A value is the coefficient of x square, so a value 9 into c value is minus 2, so write minus 2. 6 square is 36, minus into minus plus, and this 4 into 9, 36 into 2, 72. Their addition is a 108. So 108 is positive and it's greater than 0. Two APs having the same common difference. The first term of one of these is minus 1 and that of the other is minus 8. Then the difference between the fourth terms is. According to the statements, question number 5 is given. There are two APs. So let me imagine AP1 and AP2. There are two conditions. So given a first term A1 is equal to minus 1. So to differentiate, I am taking capital A1 which is equal to minus 8. In both the sessions we have common difference D is equal to same. So let us take The first AP D and second AP also having a D itself. Now, what is the difference between fourth term? So, write the fourth term. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. In this, capital A4 is equal to A plus 3D itself, where D is common. Now, we need the difference between them. So, difference between them, we can write it as A4 minus capital A4, which is equal to, then first term is replacing minus 1. So, here you replace A plus 3D and minus capital A plus 3D, and difference finding, so we get it as A plus 3D minus A minus 3D. So D was given commonly and it is same D, so both cancel, and what is still we got it A minus capital A. Therefore A value given minus 1, capital A also we have, that is minus of minus 8, so plus 8. So answer is 7. So remember, difference always positive number, so we have to prefer this value, option C. So if suppose you can think like, if you take this is the first and this is second, what going to happen? Suppose AP2 minus AP1. So what going to happen? Capital A minus small a, you get it, and 3D anyhow cancel. So which means I'll get it as minus 8 minus of minus 1. So which is minus 8 minus of minus plus 1. So I'll get it as minus 7. But remember, the difference never be a negative value. So even though we have to consider the option C only. Try to understand. Now, question number 6. Find the ratio of the line segment joining 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6 which divides the x-axis. It's very simple question. Whenever any line segment divide the x-axis, means direct formula, we have minus y1 is to y2. As per the given data, what is y1 and y2? So this is y1 and it is y2. So replace the value minus of minus 3. So plus 3 is 2 and it is 6. y2 is 6, so replace 6. In 3 table 1s, here 3 table 2s. So answer is 1 is to 2. So it's very simple, option 1. I repeat, if x-axis is given, the requirement ratio is minus y1 is to y2. Suppose if given as what is the ratio, it is divided the y-axis. So if y-axis is mentioned, so follow the formula, minus x1 is to x2. If y-axis means the required formula is minus x1 is to x2. If x-axis given, minus y1 is to y2. So it's very simple. Try to remember. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. xy is a 5 units from the origin. How many such a points are there in the third quadrant? So try to solve this question. So try to solve question number 7. So let us imagine it's a coordinate system. Given a line which is 5 units from the point x1 comma y1. So let us take x comma y, which is belongs to third quadrant, which is 5 units from the origin. Origin is 0 comma 0. So by applying the distance formula, we have a distance formula, distance given 5 units, which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So x1 is x if I imagine, and x2 is 0. So 0 minus x, same value, so x square plus y minus 0, same value, y square. By squaring on both the sides, we will get it as x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. So it's having x square plus y square is equal to 25. So then how many values which satisfy the given statement? So which are must be in third quadrant. So I can take x value indefinite number of times and I will get indefinite values of y, and y value you can take any number changes, so x value is also will get it defined value. Therefore how many possibilities are there? We have infinity many possibilities are there. So next question number 8. So given that in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to AB, if AB is equal to A, DE is equal to X, BE is equal to B and CE is equal to C. Express X in terms of ABC. So this question is belongs to triangles topic and we should apply the similarity rule. So we are given this is parallel to here, this is a one, and the measurements are given where AB is equal to small a and DE is equal to small x, BE is equal to small b, EC is equal to small c. We need the value of x in terms of ABC. So then I'll try to do this one by using a similarity rule. By angle similarity, I can say triangle CDE is similar to CAB. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So therefore, I can use the corresponding sides ratio. So DE divided by AB, which is equal to EC divided by BC. So write the requirements where DE is equal to given x divided by AB is given as small a, which is equal to EC. EC is equal to this measurement, which is equal to C divided by BC. BC means total measurement, which is small b plus c. Therefore x is equal to cross multiply the value, so a into c divided by b plus c. So which option is correct? A into c by b plus c. We can say option B is right answer. Okay, come to the question number 9. The question number 9 is given, if O is the center of a circle and chord PQ makes an angle 50 degrees with the tangent PR, at the point of contact at P, find the angle made by the chord at the center. So we need to find the angle at the center of the circle. Now the angle with the tangent P and the chord was mentioned, which is 50 degrees. And we know well the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius, so which means this is right angle. Already this green color is 50 degrees. So what about the remaining angle? Can I say this is 40? The small angle is 40. And we know OP is equal to OQ. Both are radius only, which means if two sides are equal, their opposite angles also equal. I can say that OQP, which is also 40 degrees. Now, so from the triangle, so observe the triangle OQP. So then I can say angle OPQ, which is equal to 40, as well as angle OQP, which is also 40. So by using angle sum property, I can get this value, angle O plus angle P plus angle Q, which is equal to 180 degrees. So angle O is how much we can find by using the replacement of angle P and angle Q. Both are 40. So writing 40 plus 40 is equal to 180. And this both addition and sending opposite side, angle O, angle at the center, which is equal to 180 minus 80. So then angle at the center, which is taken as POQ, representation POQ or QOP, which is equal to 100 degrees. So option B is absolutely right answer. Okay, let us move for the question number 10. A quadrilateral PQRS is drawn to a circumscribing a circle. Given measurement PQ is equal to 12 cm, QR is equal to 15 cm and RS is equal to 14 centimeter, find the length of SP. So, given a quadrilateral PQRS circumscribing a circle. So, first draw a circle and PQRS is circumscribing a circle. So, let us take a quadrilateral is circumscribing the circle. So, just imagine it is touching the all sides mentioned as PQRS, quadrilateral mentioned as PQRS, and given a measurements which is PQ is equal to 12, QR is equal to 15 and RS is equal to 14 centimeters. So, we need to find the SP. So, there is a rule and theorem as well. Property PQ plus RS, sum of the opposite sides are equal in a circumscribing quadrilateral. So, PQ plus RS is equal to QR plus PS. So, PQ was 12 plus this is RS 14 which is equal to QR is 15 plus PS. So, this both addition is 26 which is equal to 15 plus PS. Therefore, PS is equal to 26 minus 15 which is equal to 11. Therefore, which is the correct option? 11 is contain option D. So, therefore, option D is right answer. Next question number 11. Given that sin theta is equal to A by B, then find the cos theta. Sin theta is equal to A by B and we need a cos theta. Then how to find it? So, cos theta in terms of sin theta we can write as cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So, just replacing the formula 1 minus A by B whole square. By simplifying the values 1 minus A square by B square in a root. By take LCM, so B square is LCM, so B square minus A square and write the square root for numerator and denominator separately, then we get it as square root of B square minus A square denominator, square root cancel, will get B value. So therefore the required cos theta is equal to square root of B square minus A square divided by B alone. So which option is correct? Option C is absolutely right answer. Now move for the 12th question. Given secant A plus tan A, secant A plus tan A is multiplied to 1 minus sin A. So solving the question number 12, so we get it as secant, I can write it as 1 by cos A. So write as 1 by cos A plus tan we can write as sin A divided by cos A, and here we have 1 minus sin A. Take LCM as cos A, so cos A. So cos cancel, 1 plus sin A in a numerator is multiplied to 1 minus sin A. So it is both looking like A plus B into A minus B. So we'll get it as A square minus B square. A square means 1 square was 1 itself and is sin square A. Denominator is only cos A. Then 1 minus sin square A, we can have an identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From that we'll get it as cos square A, denominator cos A. So since we have sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So I need 1 minus sin square. So I can write it as cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So from this statement we are writing like this. So square and cos cancel. So finally I'll get the option as cos A. Which option having cos A? Just check it. Cos A is option D is right answer. Let us move for the question number 13. So according to the question given, a pole is 6 meters high, casts a shadow 2 root 3 meters long on a ground, then the sun's elevation is dash. So given a pole having 6 meters, 6 meters pole casts a shadow, given 2 root 3 casts a shadow And how much angle of elevation? So let us imagine angle of elevation is something theta. So imagine the pole is perpendicular to the ground, then apply. To find the angle, I am applying the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So 6 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 table in 6 cancel 3 times divided by root 3. So numerator 3 I am writing root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cancel. I get it as tan theta is equal to root 3. When tan theta will becomes root 3, so I can write as tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. So the tan cancel, we can take theta is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, which option? Option A I can say absolutely right answer. Option A is 60 degrees. Question number 14. If the perimeter and its area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is dash. Perimeter and area of a circle. So question number 14. Perimeter formula of a circle is 2 pi r and its area is equal. Area is pi r square. So as we know, both are numerically equal. So pi cancel. So then r square cancel. So 2 is equal to r. Therefore 2 units we can. It is proposed to build a single circular park equal area to the sum of the areas of two circular parks of diameters are 16 meters and 12 meters in a locality. The radius of the new park. Given two circulars which having a diameters is 16 centimeters, 16 meters. Another circular park which is having 12 meters. These are the both diameters. R1 is equal to 8 meters and R2 is equal to 6 meters. And we need to build a new park which is equal to sum of the areas of the both. So sum of the areas of the both means I can take the required area capital R square pi capital R square pi into capital R square, which is equal to pi into small r1 square plus pi into small r2 square. So in both the values pi cancel, so pi all having same pi, so just cancel it. But we required the answer is r square. So capital R square is equal to r1 is 8 square plus r2 is 6 square. Therefore 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. Then answer is 64 plus 36 is 100. Then r square is equal to 100. I can find r is equal to square root of 100. Square root of 100 I can find it as plus 10. Therefore, the radius of the required new park will be 10 meters. So option A is the right answer. Question number 16. There is a green square board of 2A units circumscribing a red circle. So Jaidev is asked to keep a dot on the above said board. Find the probability that he keeps the dot on the green region. So we need to select the region. The dot has to be kept on a green region. So let us make any dot must be taken a green board region. So how to find the probability? This probability is related to areas. So we need the probability of selecting region is this areas. So how to get this area? This area can be found by using area of a square minus area of a circle. I'll get this empty portion that can be required. So the favorable area is numerator we have to write and divide by the total area. So therefore the required probability will be favorable area of square minus so area of circle divided by area of total is a square shaped. So therefore given accordingly the side of the square is 2a units. The diameter of a circle is again 2a units. What about the radius? R is equal to a units. Then area of a circle is side square. Side square means 2a whole square minus area of a circle is pi r square, pi into r value is a, so a square divided by area of a square is again 2a square whole square. So this can be simplified. 2a square means 4a square minus pi into a square, in denominator 4 into a square. This further simplified as, in numerator a square can be take it as out, so take it as a square 4 minus pi divided by 4a square. So now, so this a square is cancelled. Finally we get it as 4 minus pi divided by 4. So which option satisfied? I think option B is absolutely true. So which option satisfy? Option B is right answer. 17th question. 2 cards of hearts and 4 cards of spades are missing from the pack of 52 cards. So what is the probability of getting a black card from the remaining pack of cards? So there are actually, in a deck of cards, 52 cards are there. In that there are 26 red color, 26 black in color. So according to these category, in red there are two categories. One is hearts and one more is a diamond shaped. So in black color we have a clubs and spades and clubs. So spades and clubs. So then according to the given statement, there are 2 cards of hearts. 2 cards of hearts are sub and 4 cards of spades. 4 cards of spades are removed. So which is missing, we can remove that. So totally we have 6 cards are missing. So totally we have 52 cards. In that we lost 6 cards. Therefore the remaining cards, so remaining cards are 52 minus 6 cards, which gives 46 cards. And again we lost, there are 4 spade cards, which means black in color. So remaining black colors, so totally black colors are 26. Out of that we got it as 26 and lost 4, and finally we have 22 black in color. Therefore the required probability of getting a black card, so probability of black card is, there are 22 black cards are there out of 46 only. Therefore 22 divided by 46. So which option may be correct? So option B is absolutely right. 22 divided by 46. Next question number 18. Find the upper limit of the model class from the given distribution. So given height and number of girls. So it is given directly cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is 51. So n value is given 51. So find the n by 2 value, where n by 2 is equal to 51 by 2. So 51 by 2 we can write it as 5.5. So then 25.5, which is the next number which is greater than the 25.5. So definitely 29. Definitely 29. So we need upper limit in the class. So the given upper limit in the class interval, so definitely it's 150. So option is 150. So actually we have to write it as, so it's a 29. So its limits are, so 150 and before is 145. So this is lower limit and it is upper limit. So therefore required answer is 150. Next, assertion and reason questions. It's a given direction. In the question number 19 and 20, statement of assertion is A is followed by a statement of reason R. Choose the correct option. Statement 1, assertion is given. The total surface area of top is in the form of curved surface area of the hemisphere and the curved surface area of the cone. So the top is covered with a hemispherical shape and it's a cone shape. Then actually the total surface area is definitely a curved surface area of the hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone. So definitely assertion is true. Next, come to the reason. The top is obtained by fixing the plane surface of the hemisphere and the cone together. So hemispherical shape, plane surface of the hemispherical shape means this is circular portion in the top of a hemisphere, and cone shaped top. So this is a plane surface. If these both are fixing together, it will form a required top. So definitely reason is also correct. So therefore our required answer is, so both assertion and reason are true, and it's a correct explanation also. Option A is right answer. Next, question number 20. Statement 1. Assertion is given -5 comma -5 by 2 comma 0 comma 5 by 2 is an arithmetic progression. Check whether it's a arithmetic progression or not. How to check whether it's a arithmetic progression or not? Now, the common difference must be same. So according to the statement, we got a1 is equal to -5, a2 is equal to -5 by 2, and a3 is equal to 0. Then checking the condition of the arithmetic progression, which is like this: a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. If this is equal, I can say that it's there in AP. If not, it's not in AP. Then a2 is -5 by 2 minus of -5, so plus 5, which is equal to a3 is 0 minus of minus plus 5 by 2. Then take LCM in left hand side. 2 is an LCM, so -5 plus, here it is 1, so it is multiplied to 2. 2 into 5, 10, which is equal to 0 plus 5 by 2 is 5 by 2. The answer is -5 plus 10, so 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So LH is equal to RHS, so definitely, so it is in AP. So assertion is true. What about its reason? So what about reason? Statement R, reason. The terms of arithmetic progressions cannot be have both positive and negative rational numbers. So as you see the assertion, it's having a negative terms and positive terms, both include in the same arithmetic progression. So it is saying that it cannot have it. So definitely it's a false statement. Why? Because it is very sure we have the all positive and negative terms in the single arithmetic progression. So definitely assertion is true, reason is false. So which option is correct? Assertion is true, reason is false. Option C is absolutely right answer. I hope everyone understood my explanation clearly. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel. Remaining questions will be explained in the next session. So please follow my channel. Thank you all of you.